Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Giving your favorite dish and meal, you name it. But anyway, today we're making some Jamaican jerk bite. Jerk bite is different. Jerk bite is like pieces of chicken. You marinate it into some jerk seasoning and get a lot of flavor from Chef Ricardo jerk seasoning. Anyway, hopefully you guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. And thank you so much for the subscribing. And also, remember, don't forget you can donate and you can leave your comments. And also you can get a copy of my cookbook online, 50% off. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. As I said, today we're going to make you some lovely, nice Jamaican jerk bite chicken. But first of all, we want to show you how to marinate it, because marinating is one of the most important part of marinate your meat at home before you cook it. So today we're going to show you how to make Jamaican jerk bite. First of all, I have some of my natural blending season which I'm going to be using. So 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of the natural blending season. Then after I put that natural blending season, I got some fresh thyme which I might just cut up and put on it, bringing a little bit more flavor. That's the fresh thyme. Some white onion, extra flavor. Got some spring onion. That's the spring onion. Then 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Teaspoon of meat seasoning. As I say, you can use your favorite seasoning what you like to use at home. A little bit of ghost pepper. This is some chicken season. 1 tablespoon. Let's finish my paprika. I'm gonna put a large spoon of paprika. Then I got some Jamaican blending jerk season. 1, 2. Let's 2 a little bit. Over 2.5 tablespoons. Just finish up my buckle. Teaspoon of olive oil or vegetable oil. Use gloves, guys. The only reason why I'm using my hand, because I'm a chef and I know what I'm doing. Alright? So please use your gloves at home, alright? Very important. Because of the hotness of this jerk seasoning. So I'm just marinating up my chicken. As you can see, looking lovely and nice so far. Put 1 more tablespoon of the natural blending season. That's Chef Ricardo blending season. Natural blending season. It's the best. So basically, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Natural, seasoned, and jerk chicken right here. And this one, I can oven bake it. Very quick, half an hour in the oven. As you can see, I wash off here and I remove the skin from the chicken. And as you can see, looking lovely and nice. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is Chef Ricardo jerk chicken bite. Not jerk chicken where you put on the grill and jerk. This one is a put in the oven and you roast this off for 30 minutes. So it's jerk chicken bite, not that big leg where you're gonna have to chop up. This is like small pieces, as you can see. So we call this in England jerk bite. Alright? So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and you can do this at home and share with your family. See you next time. Bye bye.